I'm Ms. Hedrick, and I work with 7th and 8th grade students in the areas of ELA and reading. This year, we will learn to be better readers and writers, and I look forward to seeing everybody on the 2nd.
Hey guys, it's Miss Silvers. We've been missing you here at Beaker. I do speech and language for 5th through 8th grade students, so I'm really excited to see all my returning students and 5th graders. We're ready to see you too. I've had a good summer. I've hung out with my dog quite a bit and took a trip to Arkansas. Enjoy your last few days, and we'll see you soon. Bye guys.
Hi Beaker, this is Mrs. Phillips. I hope you had a great summer. This year you'll see me with the 6th grade teachers. I'll be doing a lot of good things with them, so I'm looking forward to it. Had a lot of fun this summer staying at home. I read 12 books, so hope to see you and enjoy your last few days enjoying your break, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon.
Hello, I'm Miss Hale, and I'm really excited about this school year. I can't wait to see all the kids. I work with 5th through 8th graders, and this summer I went on a float trip, and I have a cat named Nala.
Hi, hello, I'm Coach Ming. I teach 5th through 8th grade PE and math. We've started football practice already. We're looking forward to having a great year and looking forward to having kids in the class.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Vanderberg.
And I'm Mr. Coslett.
I'll be teaching 5th and 6th grade ELA and reading, and I hope you all had a great summer. My family and I went to Tennessee for a couple weeks, and we can't wait to see you on the 2nd.
Mr. Coslett again. I teach 5th and 6th grade math, and I didn't do a whole lot this summer. Just kind of worked around the house. Looking forward to seeing you all.
Hey everybody, it's Coach Woodring. Glad to be back in school this year. For those of you who do not know me, I work with 5th through 8th grade. I'm also one of the coaches here at the middle school, so make sure you come out for our sports and come see us. Welcome back this year, and hope to see everybody soon in the hallways. Give me a holler. See ya.
Good morning, Beaker. My name is Mrs. Glassmaker, and I teach 6th grade and 7th grade reading and ELA. I'm downstairs over by the boys' locker room, and I am really looking forward to seeing all of you. One thing I loved doing this summer was I loved reading some great books. Can't wait to see you all on Wednesday. Take care. Bye.